One of the convicts in the gruesome murder of Australian missionary Graham Staines and his two minor sons in 1999 was released from Odisha's Keonjhar jail on Wednesday after 25 years of incarceration on the grounds of good behavior, said the officials. Mahendra Hembram, now 51 years old, was convicted along with Rabindra Pal Singh, also known as Dara Singh, in the heinous crime that drew global outrage 26 years ago. According to officials, Hembram was arrested on December 9 in 1999 and Singh on January 31st in 2000 in a forest. After being released from jail, Hembram claimed he was falsely implicated in the case and he was opposing religious conversion and cow slaughter.
Present Modi government is very weak against terrorism. Because of that, Colonel Purohit, a terrorist, is out now. Sadhvi Pragya,
can you prove it in court? Can you prove it in court? Why don't you fight the case and prove it in court?
See, to be very frank and honest, it is a black day for Indian justice system today, as Yogi Adityanath are taking back all the criminal cases against him. Judiciary is releasing all the top-notch terrorists in the Malegaon blast case. IPS Hemnet Kerkere's martyrdom going in vain. And innocent Zakir Naik is being harassed by our government. This is really a black day for Indian justice, according to me. Gujarat rioters were the terrorists under Modi government who killed 20,000 Muslims. Muzaffarnagar rioters were terrorists who killed Muslims again.
This is not a Sharia court.
NIA is beating the government on behalf of government. If Sharia court will be there, the terrorists would have been sent to hell. If Sharia court would be there, these terrorists would have been sent to hell.
Why I'm saying
if Sharia court would be there, these terrorists... See, one thing I want to make it very clear, the security of the nation should be the top priority. Every terrorist, whoever he is or she is, from any community, should be punished severely. Never seen any such action or notice against the ashrams where the bombs were found, or the temples where the bombs were found, and they were hijacked for communal and terrorist activities. Our parliament was hijacked for communal activities in the name of Jai Shri Ram by the Hindu fanatics in the parliament. So at that particular time we feel that why are only Muslims being targeted and alienated? Why not the rest of the terrorists are being taken care of from Hindutva brigade? And those who are using the ashrams and the temples for terrorizing the innocents, and lynchings are becoming common due to that, hate crime becoming common due to that, India is dividing due to that, and because of that security of India is at risk.